Hey, Boomerangme community! As we approach the most wonderful time of the year, I wanted to take a moment to share some holiday cheer with you guys. So, if you are watching this, grab a cup of coffee, sit back, and let's chat for a moment. This season is all about gratitude, reflection, and celebration, and I am so incredibly thankful for each and every one of you, our amazing clients, partners, and community. Whether you've been with us for years or just joining the Boomerangme journey, you are the reason we do what we do. Together, we've not only grown businesses but also created smiles, sparked loyalty, and made connections that go beyond transactions. And that's worth celebrating, isn't it? I mean, we're basically Santa's helpers, except instead of toys, we deliver loyalty. But let's be real, loyalty isn't just for customers. You've been so loyal to us this year. You deserve your own loyalty cards. Just imagine 5 months of partnership with Boomerangme, free hot coffee on us, or maybe a little badge that says VIP in the Boomerangme universe. You've earned it. Now, let's talk about what's ahead in 2025. It's going to be a big year for all of us. We are more excited than ever about the journey we've on together. Our mission to deliver loyalty as a service to local businesses isn't just a goal, it's a movement. And you are not just part of it, you are leading it. And we've got exciting plans, new features, and even more ways to help you bring value to your clients, grow your business, and most importantly, make your customers smile every single day. I can't wait to step into the next chapter with you guys. Together, we are going to make 2025 a year to remember. From the bottom of my heart, thank you for trusting us, partnering with us, and being part of this amazing Boomerangme community. Here is to another year to success, growth, and of course, loyalty. Let's keep making the world a little brighter, one digital card at a time. Have a magical Christmas, a joyful New Year, and remember, don't eat too many holiday cookies unless you are saving them for Santa. Then it's totally fine. Cheers to you, to us, and to an unforgettable 2025. Let's make it happen. Happy holidays, guys. Cheers.